Biological processes refer to the various mechanisms that occur within living organisms to maintain life. These processes are complex and involve a range of molecular interactions, cellular activities, and physiological responses that enable organisms to function and survive in their environment. Understanding biological processes is essential to understanding the fundamentals of biology and the many ways in which organisms adapt and evolve over time. In this article, we will explore some of the key biological processes that are fundamental to life, and their importance in shaping the natural world. One of the most fundamental biological processes is metabolism. Metabolism refers to the chemical reactions that occur within cells to break down food and convert it into energy that can be used by the organism. This process involves the conversion of molecules such as glucose, amino acids, and lipids into energy-rich molecules such as ATP, which can be used to power various cellular processes. Metabolism is essential to the survival of all living organisms, as it provides the energy needed to carry out other vital processes, such as growth, reproduction, and repair. Another important biological process is cell division. Cell division is the process by which cells replicate and divide into two or more daughter cells. This process is essential for growth and repair, as it allows organisms to replace damaged or lost cells. There are two main types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that occurs in somatic cells and results in the formation of two identical daughter cells. Meiosis, on the other hand, is a type of cell division that occurs in germ cells and results in the formation of four genetically diverse daughter cells. Photosynthesis is another important biological process that occurs in plants and some bacteria. Photosynthesis is the process by which organisms use light energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process is essential to the survival of many organisms, as it provides the energy and nutrients needed for growth and development. Photosynthesis is also responsible for producing the oxygen that is essential for aerobic respiration in animals. Another important biological process is DNA replication. DNA replication is the process by which cells copy their genetic information in preparation for cell division. This process is essential for the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next, as it ensures that each daughter cell receives an identical copy of the parent cell's DNA. DNA replication is a complex process that involves the unwinding and separation of the double-stranded DNA molecule. The synthesis of new complementary strands, and the proofreading and correction of errors. Finally, we come to gene expression, which is the process by which genetic information is translated into functional proteins. Gene expression is a complex process that involves the transcription of DNA into RNA, and the translation of RNA into proteins. This process is essential to the functioning of all living organisms, as it is responsible for the synthesis of all proteins, which are the building blocks of life. Gene expression is also responsible for the many adaptations that organisms have made over time. As changes in gene expression can lead to changes in phenotype, which can be selected for or against by natural selection. In conclusion, biological processes are essential to the survival and functioning of all living organisms. They involve a range of molecular interactions, cellular activities, and physiological responses that enable organisms to function and survive in their environment. Understanding these processes is essential to understanding the fundamentals of biology.